this is pretty much the home screen of the application. Very easy application to use. So nothing hard for you to not understand. So at the top here, we'll just show you a few photos in your gallery. Right now, I don't have any photos in my gallery, so you guys won't be able to see anything. But if I do scroll down, you can see a lot of different editing or templates which you can use on this application here. And all you have to pretty much do to get these results is pretty much upload a photo of yourself when you get these results. So let's say, for example, I want a headshot pro photo or picture. Let's tap on this option here, and as you can see here, you require photo. I just need one clear front facing good lighting picture, and down here you may not be able to see it, but as you can see down here, it will show you a little image that it should look like, a little clear image. But you do get understand. Make sure the image or the picture is clear, your face, everything's, you're seeing your face and everything, and you do have good lighting for you to get these results. But once those are all finished, you'll be able to get these results easily. And once you have pretty much have that picture ready, you can just tap on the try template option. We'll show you in the gallery section here. If you haven't allowed access to your gallery, you can pretty much go ahead and do that. But once you have done that, pretty much will see everything that's in your gallery. Go ahead and select the image that you pretty much want to turn into the Headshot Pro something here. Once you have done that, you're pretty much good to go. So that's really pretty much it. So that's really pretty much basically for the application. So nothing much else is there, or nothing else is there. And as you can scroll down and see other options, you have product options, seasonal option, and if you do want to see more of, let's say, a specific section, then tap on the see all option to see all the available templates that they have. And this is a fairly new application, so it's going to be not much templates which you can use. At the top here, you have sections or categories which you can select and see other styles as well. So that's really pretty much it for the application. So you do have the edit option, is pretty much the same thing as a template, and if anything that you have edited will pretty much be shown in the library section. And you do get 100 points or 100 credits for completely free for you to test out the application. You can test out a few of their templates. So I do tap on the credits option at the top here. You can pretty much see how much credits we're getting weekly. Your subscription, you have a yearly subscription and a weekly subscription, and pretty much tells you the price. So weekly subscription, you pretty much get 1,000 coins to use with their features and so forth and templates. And as well, you do get additional templates with the subscription. So if I do tap on the pro option or the credits option, you'll be able to see your subscription page. And this year, pretty much shows here so how much credits you have. So that's really pretty much it for the application. If I missed anything at all, let me know in the comment section. See you guys in the next one.